Hey guys, my name is Chloe and I make videos here on YouTube. Today I want to share with you how to do this voluminous glam side braid, which is perfect for the holiday season. So if you want to see how to do it, then keep on watching. Okay, so of course I had to start off with freshly washed towel dried hair, and then I applied some of Aveda's Thickening Tonic everywhere. My favorite part about the spray, besides how good it smells, is the fact that it thickens my hair in like 2 seconds. And just like all of Aveda's products, it's cruelty-free and not tested on animals. And the thickening tonic is 97% naturally derived from plants, non-petroleum minerals, or water. And while I'm blow drying to give my hair even more volume, especially up at the roots, I like to flip my head upside down, and that way gravity and the blow dryer kind of work together to bump up the roots and give even more of a full look. And I'm just obsessed with how voluminous my hair looks, and I haven't even curled it yet. And speaking of curling my hair, I'm actually going to separate my hair into sections so that I can take a small to medium sized curling wand and get a ton of curls in my hair so I can get a lot of volume and texture so that the side braid looks very glamorous. And I'm just gonna angle the barrel downwards so that I can get a good grip on everything. So the curls that are lower are actually going to be a little bit looser so I could keep some of that length in my hair. And as I go up each section, I'm actually going to make the curls a little bit tighter, not too tight, so that you can really see them in the braid and they really stand out. So now that all of my hair is curled, I'm going to gather it all to the side opposite of my part. And I'm just going to start the side braid right by where my chin is. So now I'm just pulling some of the pieces of my braid just so that there is a lot of volume. And so it doesn't look too messy, I'm just going to polish it up by taking some of the hair that's left out of the braid, twisting it, and pinning it. How cute is this hairstyle? So if you like this video and you want to see more like this from Aveda, feel free to click subscribe. And you can also check out the description box for any of Aveda's products that I've used in this video. And I hope you have a very happy holiday season.